video on spherical haircut. This haircut
round, So with my hair ties. These are plastic hair ties, springy. Water bottle to mist my hair as I apply gel to detangle tangles, scissor, and then gel. I think I should mist in sections. Yeah, it's just good to work in sections. So you're able to do a good job. Apply gel to detangle and also make these curls pop. Yes, a separate section.
Sorry, by this time I hadn't realized that the microphone wasn't working. Okay, another thing I wanted to add is that this synthetic hair did more harm. My face was swollen, I had rashes, itching, inflamed. My face usually reacts to synthetic hair, gets really irritated. So to enjoy your hairstyle, usually it's advisable you use vinegar, mix vinegar and water, then dip the synthetic hair into the mixture, leave it there for some minutes. Basically, it is to remove the chemical alkaline so that it's chemical free and you can comfortably wear it. More information about this, please check on our website. I'll leave the link in the description box.
Okay, so we have some life back into this hair and ready to. So this is the best place to start layering, to start shaping, and precisely that's what we are going to do. But I just wonder what it would look like to layer without having hair at the bottom here. That's what we are yet to know, and let's try it, let's experiment and see what it will give us. Scared. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to section my hair in three. We have the fringe, which comes right here, somewhere there. And then secure it with this, though it's not our best. Okay, one section done. And so next section I'm going to divide this in the middle of my head right here up to the back right there. Separate them into two equal sections and secure. Now these are not the best hair ties, so you may want to use satin hair ties because this may also cause tangling, but I mean this is what I have available right now. Okay, so remember you want them loose. Okay, so you can see this is right behind my ears. If you brought it in front, forward a little more, you would cut more hair in the front and less behind, and it will kind of give you that wolf cut, or I mean a completely different cut. But since I want a round shape all through, that spherical look all through, I'm going to put it behind my ear and create that balance. Okay, so I'm going to start with this one. I'm going to cut it at 90 degrees angle like this. This is 90 degrees, I suppose. So some people do point cutting, but I don't think if that's advisable for curly hair, since curly hair tends to freeze, create. I just think that would create terrible split ends, and that's not what we want for curly. So I'm going to just do a blunt cut like that. So it depends on how short you want these layers to determine what position you cut it from there, from here, Or you could even use a comb to measure the side. I think that's the most accurate way to do it, from where you've tied it until right there. And you'll use the same measurement for the other side so that you're sure there is that balance. Okay, so since I don't have hair at the bottom right here, I'm not going to cut so much. This hair right up here is supposed to cover then down here. So if I'm going to cut it that short, then it will look fine. So going to the next section, going to do the same thing. So you want to make sure that the distance between your scalp and the hair tie is the same. I don't know if it's the case with mine, so that you're able to measure with your comb or any other tool to check the distance that you want to just make sure, you know, you're equal. Okay, so you want to measure from the hair tie up to the distance you want to stop, and assure me it's the same that I did for this side, so that you know there is that equalization. Personally, mine stopped at somewhere about that, so I'm going to measure from the hair tie right there up to number 3. So that means I'm going to cut right there. So number 3, I mean this. Are they equal? So next section, the fringe. So with a fringe, you want to cut it at about that angle to get a little gradation. So I'm going to move very little there because the fringe is already short. And for the rest, I'll correct when I've loosened the hair and probably when it's a bit dry. So the moment of truth has come. Let me carefully try this. Okay. Protect your hair. You may want to cut this.
So as it dries, it gives you the accurate shape that it's supposed to be. It's springing back to give that round kind of stuff. Immediately after cutting, you may not see it, so you just have to be patient until it's dry all through. But you can see there's a little bit of inconsistency this side. Now this is where you start doing the final touches. Just removing the parts that you feel need to go, and you know, when it's dry, it's just okay, because what you cut is what you get. You don't you're not scared of it shrinking back. So basically that's what I'm going to do. The fringe is layered, but you can see this. Just cut it up to where you want it to be. Okay, here we are still a little bit wet. It's about 80% dry. You can see how much it springs back after dry. It's so spherical, looks great. I love it. So this is basically how I maintain it. Every morning I mist it with some refreshing spray. It moisturizes, also gives shine, and just makes it look new again. Shake, 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 shake. Who else must have dared this haircut? What do you think about this hairstyle? Thank you so much for watching. If you've tried this hairstyle, please let me know in the comment section or tag Cat Africa Afro. Bye.